Greetings of the day. My name is Nidhi, and today is very excited and day for me because I created today my new YouTube channel, and I hope you all support me. And the reason of creating this channel is truly tell you I want to share with you all my technical skills, what I have and what I have to share with you. And also I think so it's help for you also because the topic I selected for my channel is Python, and I hope you will also know about Python, but also know that some of you people are not aware about Python, but it is more trending in today's generation. So how it's work and how we can use it in our daily to daily life. So how it's make easy way to analyze the things and problems. So make it a solution in a very easy manner. So let's start with without using late. So Python is a computer programming language, so used to build a website and software as well. So it automate the task and conduct the data analyzing as well. So Python is a general programming language. Meaning is it can be used to create or verify the of different type of programming language, and insert specializations of specific problems, and it makes solution in a very easy manner. We can understand very easy way. So it is very popular general programming language and interpreted, and we can say it is also object oriented programming language. So when we talk about the history of Python, so it was created by Julio Van Resume during 1985 to 1990. So that's all about Python and Python introduction. And it's let me tell you one thing more. I will upload my all video step by step, like you can see this agenda in that video we will cover in upcoming video. So I will upload my video step by step in process on every Saturday. So I hope you will keep in touch, and if you want to view and learn about Python, who are starting in Python and who want to know about Python machine learning concept, so please do like, share and subscribe, and keep share with your friend as well. And I if you have any query, so please mention in the comment box, and sure I will resolve that your query in my upcoming videos, and I try to make it solution in a very easy manner. um, and I only need your support as well. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead, and all the best for your learning. And the next video I will upload on the next Saturday at that same time. Bye bye.